Did you like it?
Yes, I liked it.
Mom, I will spin from there.
Yeah, be careful, okay? The hose is there.
Stop,
Hmm.
I'll spin from there.
But don't go to the mud. No mud going to the mud, okay?
I'm not going that side. I'm only going to that water.
Yeah, okay, go.
When I go in that side, my tire will be lucky and muddy and shaky and chooky. Cat. I think I cat down. If I get.
I told you not to go in the mud. I'll give you nice, okay, Jonathan?
Did you like it?
I always like it.
Oh, look, this side is the water.
See, you made that water also dirty, see? Look at that.
So I'll drive.
It's okay, now you drive only here. Take a round and come.
No, I like it going that way. I like
ആ ചവിട്ടിട്ട് വന്ന് കാല് പൊക്കിയിരുന്നേ